The 2023 Husqvarna TC250 remains on the top step in the competitive 250cc two-stroke motocross class. Now featuring e-start and electronic fuel injection, starting is simplified while performance on track remains unrivaled, thanks to the highly sophisticated EFI system that delivers the perfect air-fuel ratio for an instant controllable power at all times. Expertly assembled with premium components as standard, the TC250 benefits from exceptional build quality, which guarantees both performance and reliability. On top, new graphics inspired by the brand's Swedish heritage create a striking new look, which is applied to all new bodywork that provides advanced ergonomics. Engine. The new TC250 engine is at the pinnacle of two-stroke performance, and weighs just 23.9 kg. Complete with the latest technical innovations for 2023, the TC250 receives significant updates, with electronic fuel injection (EFI) reducing running costs, removing the need for jetting changes, and improving reliability. Cylinder. The new cylinder retains a 66.4 mm bore, and with the introduction of EFI for 2023, the traditional power valve is replaced with an electronic exhaust control system. EFI. The introduction of electronic fuel injection on the TC250 brings many benefits. Chromium molybdenum frame. The proven chromium molybdenum steel frame is refined for 2023. A new shock mounting, which is no longer connected to the main tube, significantly improves the anti-squat behavior of the chassis. Polyamide reinforced aluminium subframe. Triple clamps. Matching the new frame design and suspension setup, the CNC machined triple clamps. WPXACT front suspension. The 48 mm split air forks. ORT. The WP forks are designed with a capsulated, adjustable air spring and pressurized oil chamber for smooth action and consistent damping. Swing arm. The new hollow die-cast aluminium swing arm is manufactured from a single piece of aluminium using an improved die-cast production process. Wheels and tires. Assembled with CNC machined hubs, strong spokes, and black anodized alloy rims by DID, the wheels of the TC250 are fitted with Dunlop GEOM AXMX33 motocross tires, which feature a proven block within a block design for more progressive cornering and superior grip. Hydraulic brakes. The highest level of quality is guaranteed with class-leading Brembo calipers made from single pieces of aluminium for strength at the lowest possible weight, together with a redesigned 260 mm front and a 220 mm rear disc. Pro-taper handlebar. Developed between Husqvarna motorcycles and leading handlebar manufacturer Pro-taper, the exclusive bend offers superior comfort. Airbox. The twin air filter is easily accessed without tools, by simply removing the left side panel for easy maintenance. Functional bodywork. Clean, Swedish-inspired design and ergonomics are tailored to allow riders to perform at the best for extended periods of time.